Now here's a man who believes in the power of networking, so much so that he wants all the professionals in the world to have the perfect marketing tool. It's called ApnaCircle.com and the man is Yogesh Bansal.
I'm Yogesh Bansal. I'm an entrepreneur. I was born in Punjab, a small place called Khanna, and my father was in a public sector company. My education was at different places. I was really interested in everything. There was never a force on me from my parents that you really need to become this. You won't believe that I left my engineering from the topmost college in Madhya Pradesh and left and went to Bombay to do BSc Nautical Science because I thought it was different. It was very exciting. All my friends were like, you must be crazy. So I moved to Bombay after 3-4 months, did my BSc Nautical Science and started sailing. My starting salary was about 15,000 rupees a month. At that time, it was much higher salary than my father who used to get. So I was really I started my salary for more than what my father was getting at that time. I could not see myself 5 years, 10 years down the road because I was doing the same thing again and again, and there was no innovation a value which I can bring because I was doing the same exactly the thing every day in, day out. So I gave the GMAT and I went to US, went to University of North Carolina, Charlotte, did my MBA there in Information Technology and Finance. So I went into the HI system, which is Hospital Information Systems, and I developed one application called Paragon, which is meant for 200 beds or lesser hospitals in the US. And there was a thing called Y2K at that time, like 2000, because people were afraid that in the year 2000, a lot of computers will get shut down because if they won't understand 000, the company made a lot of money because they were billing us $200 an hour and all the stuff where we were changing the code so to make it Y2K compliant. So when I was doing this, I said, you know what, I'm making so much money for my company, why don't I start my own stuff? Sure, actually it goes back in 1998, and that time mobiles were very expensive, like incoming calls were charged. So we're getting a lot of high bills, and so we thought, why don't we create a small website, a page, HTML page, where we just tell where we are, what we're doing, and so people can join us. It'll be just fun, it'll be interesting. And people started liking it and stuff like that, and we started charging. That was my first thing, and the next year a guy came over and said, I'd like to buy that out, and we never thought from a business point of view. So it was interesting, so we said, okay, fine, take it. That's the first thing we started, and that was networking thing, which we started. After that, I started a company called GeoRapid. I bought some companies in India, merged them, and because I believed in the offshore model. So I started working in an offshore model where we were taking software jobs from US, and we used to have our team here, and we used to do this, and it was going very well. There was a lot of issues like retention issues, how to retain those people. A lot of people were jumping jobs because there was a big boom in India. I had that networking thing in my mind, and I moved to India in 2006, and I saw this youth power of India. I said, out of every 4 people, 3 people are like below 35. That's a very young population, and I saw the change. Everything was available. The mobiles were getting cheaper. Like the internet was much more better. Broadband penetration was getting better. Mobiles were amazing stuff. So then I said, what? Let me do something in India. I cannot just take what's there in America and put it in India. It will never work. I found a very interesting thing that for youth of India, 2 things were important. One was the career, and the second was friends. So I said, why don't I do something which is localized and caters for career enhancement, and of course at the same time, friends also, little bit of friends, but which adds to their professional branding and career and all the stuff. And then I started ApnaCircle. December 2006 is when I wrote the first line of code, started hiring 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. In June 2007, legally we got incorporated. In October 2007, when we did the soft launch. And I believed that for ApnaCircle to be successful, you need virality and critical mass. Now we got 25 million users. Okay. Now with this 25 million users, we are number 2 in the world in professional networking. It's a local layer, on top of it a global layer. So it solves the purpose for the user. It differentiates us very different, like from other competitors out there. You get the critical mass. I believe this young India is ready for doing innovative things and trying new things and creating new things. Where India lacks is the infrastructure. Another issue with India is that they want to control. They don't believe in the simple fact, which I tell all the entrepreneurs, is small of big is big, and big of small is small. So India is much more like family control. They want to control 51%. They have something called 51% of the company. Everybody who wants to start a company wants to own 51% of the company. Well, okay, you can have it, but if you have to give something for the good for the company and good for the value of the stakeholders, do it. Because that's going to add more value. I believe there are certain key elements which are required. One is that believing in oneself. Second thing, do not be afraid of mistakes. You're bound to make mistakes. Believe in your team. Get the team and empower them. And this team needs to believe in you as a leader. They should have a common vision. It should not be like one vision on this thing. And then you need to add value to the user, end user. Always somehow innovate to give more value to the end user.
Well, and that's all we have on this episode of India Inc. But do remember to join me next week and every other week for more inspiring stories from the world of business. Also remember that it's inspiration and hard work mixed together that make for great entrepreneurs. Thank you and goodbye.